Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use and insert emojis into your Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab and then select Emoji. At this point, you can insert a variety of emojis and different smiley icons from the list in here, and you just would select it in order to actually input it into the document itself. You can copy it at this point, and you can include it as part of the title as well if you choose to do so. And that's pretty much it. If you just would delete it like you would any normal text in here as well, so you just can click the backspace icon to delete it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.